Can I have multiple ID numbers in my Umid card?
Hello and welcome to another informative video. Today, we're discussing a common question many people have about the Unified Multipurpose ID, UMID, card in the Philippines. Can I have multiple ID numbers in my UMID card? The UMID card is an essential form of identification in the Philippines, so it's important to understand its features thoroughly. Let's dive in.
What is a UMID card?
The UMID card, short for the Unified Multipurpose ID, is a 4-in-1 identification card that is issued by the Social Security System, SSS, in the Philippines. It serves as a single ID for SSS, GSIS, PAG-IBIG, and Full Health members, thereby simplifying transactions and record keeping. The key feature of this card is the unique ID number that each cardholder is given. This ID number is unique and is the primary identifier used in these 4 government agencies.
Can I have multiple ID numbers?
Now, to answer the main question, can I have multiple ID numbers in my UMID card? The answer is no. Each UMID cardholder is only assigned one unique ID number. This number serves as the identifier for that individual across SSS, GSIS, PAG-IBIG, and Full Health. This design ensures consistency and simplifies the management of members' information across these agencies. The idea is to have a singular, centralized ID system to avoid confusion and complications. So, it's not possible, nor would it be beneficial, to have multiple ID numbers on your UMID card.
What if I lose my UMID card?
In the case you lose your UMID card and need a replacement, you will still retain your original ID number. The ID number is linked to the individual, not the physical card. So, even though you may have a new card, your ID number remains the same. This measure is in place to maintain the integrity of the UMID system and to prevent the misuse of lost or stolen cards. In conclusion, it's important to note that the UMID card is designed to be a unified, single point of identification. Having multiple ID numbers would complicate this design. It's one individual, one card, and one unique ID number. We hope this video has clarified your queries about the UMID card and its ID number system. As always, stay informed and stay secure. Thanks for watching.